की डिस्ट्रिक्ट चैंपियन है सर।
मैंने माशाल्लाह इतना अच्छा अपोनेंट देखा ही नहीं अपने लिए अभी तक। She gave me good competition.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलवामा में 2 दिन पहले।
Mashallah, I congratulate you, Aiza. I wish you all the best. Keep striving for hard work, consistency, resilience,
रनिंग में थोड़ी
and grit. And Google these words one by one. Okay?
क्या याद रखा क्या क्या बोला सर?
वीडियो में देख रहे हैं मुबशिर कश्मीर के पेज पे क्या क्या बोला है मैंने आयशा के लिए। ठीक है, खेलो, आई एम cheering for you. Okay? रेहान भाई के साथ खेलो, आई एम cheering for you. One of my cousin told me that he has read a book in which the chapter goes like that we were not born all with the same privileges. जिस privilege में मेरे parents पैदा हुए, मैं उससे ज़्यादा ही privilege में पैदा हुआ. So it's our moral responsibility to grow and to contribute back towards society. And keeping ourselves away from bad habits, currently that drug addiction. What do you have to say, sir, about this?
I think sports is the best means to stay away from drug addiction. It gives you an opportunity to use your time in a proper manner. So if you want to stay away from drugs, you should always stay active in sports.
Exactly. That is the message from a parent. Aiza is his daughter. And I can tell you, those parents who take their kids to the sports grounds, beat it any sports, I salute you. I salute you. Mubashir Kashmiri salutes you. With that thing, Mubashir, yeah, signing off from 10th ground, but with that hope that I will be consistent again. No fever, no excuse, and rest is rest.